In this video, I will show you how to spend your crypto using the best crypto credit card of 2024, the ByBit card. If you find it difficult to use your crypto to purchase everyday goods like groceries in the supermarket, dinner dates, or while traveling, this video is for you. I will explain how you can sign up for a free ByBit account and how to get your physical and virtual ByBit card fast. Check out the description below where I have a ByBit link for you where you can sign up for a free credit card and an awesome deposit bonus. After you've created your free account on ByBit, you need to complete level 2 KYC. This is required to be eligible for the credit card, so make sure to do this first. When done, head over to the top menu, click on the card link, and there should be an option that says Apply Now. Now, there is a chance that the ByBit card isn't available within your region, but most likely it will be available and you should be able to apply. Once your application is successful, your virtual ByBit card is activated automatically. You can use the card number for all your shopping until you receive your physical card. And once you get it, you can use it like any other credit card. If you want to use your ByBit card, you're going to need to fund your card, but you can't do this directly from your spot wallet. You need to deposit funds to your credit card from the funding account. If you've already made some money on spot or derivatives trading, all you need to do is transfer the funds that you want to spend on the ByBit card from your derivatives or spot wallet to your funding account. There is a daily spending cap of 5,000 USDT and a $2,000 ATM withdrawal limit, so keep in mind that you can't spend more. If you don't have crypto on the ByBit platform, you can deposit right under your spot account. You can also deposit crypto from elsewhere like your MetaMask or other self-custody wallet into your ByBit account and then transfer the funds from your spot wallet to your funding account. It's super simple. Once you make your initial ByBit card purchase, you should use your default PIN code. If you make your first initial purchase, you can change the PIN code on the ByBit platform. You can use your ByBit card like any other credit or debit card that you use on a day-to-day basis. There are over 90 million merchants around the world that accept the ByBit crypto card. Just make sure the shop where you're planning to go shopping displays the MasterCard logo on their window. Another benefit of the ByBit card is that you can earn rewards like cash bonuses with the loyalty program when you use your card. There is no difference if you use your virtual or physical card. You will accumulate the same number of points irrespective of the payment method chosen. There is also no expiry date for your reward points. You can earn more points by advancing your VIP level. Moving up VIP levels will also increase your monthly maximum point capacity and cashback rate. Under normal circumstances and if your account is in good standing order, you can typically expect to receive your rewards points within 3 calendar days. There are no annual or dormancy fees, unlike if you were to use American Express for example, there's usually a yearly membership fee which can be up to $700. And for the virtual version, of course, there are no card issuance or account closure fees either. The only charges here is a 0.5% foreign exchange fee and a 0.9% crypto conversion fee on top of the spot rate. You may need to pay these fees if you're using particular currencies in your local region. I use the ByBit card on a regular basis for all my online purchases, and it works amazing, so I highly recommend it if you want to spend your crypto in shops or stores, or while on vacation around the world, without much problems. Okay, that's it. Now you know where and how to get the best crypto credit card on the market. Don't forget to use my link to get your amazing welcome bonus on ByBit. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you learned something from my video, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day, and see you in my next video.